Hello, good evening, and we are going to start project management today, and we have this first series of this interesting journey. So let's start quickly. So, what is the project management? Nobody is going to ask you about the definition of this project management, but you need to know the definition described in different books, and it is available to us. Project is unique endeavor or unique work with the specific which is completed within the specific time. It is a temporary and it has series of all tasks or it requires collaboration to complete all those tasks and planning as well. Temporary as in the sense it has start date and end date. Any unique endeavor has start date and end date, and it has collection of tasks. Task includes the collaboration of all related team members, and it also include planning and all the activities related to task. So if you consider project, we come across different projects in our day-to-day lives. So we have life itself as a project, and our career path, daily activities, daily work, all these also considered in project. So there are six foundation thing related to project we need to consider. So first of all, we will check the aspects of project management. It includes all the project fundamentals. So it includes what are project goals, what are different stages of projects, what are the timelines, milestones, tasks, Gantt chart. All those are uh, included here. Also, it covers all the overview topic of all these goals, objective, and deliverables. Will get you into the details of the project management. Risk management includes project risk related to project and vulnerabilities as well. So, what will be the possible impact of those risks and what the desired solutions? So, that is risk management, which is considered as more important. Goals is the could be what is the final product which end client want. It depends on the end client. It is a desired outcome. Team dynamics in the project, we are interacting with the different people in the project, so team dynamics and collaboration is important. It also includes managing of the resources and managing different timelines as well. And we also going to study about different methodologies in the project like agile, scrum, kanban, extreme programming, all those methodologies which are implemented across different projects. We have waterfall model as well. So it depends on the project types where we can use all these methodologies. So Agile and Scrum, these are methodologies used for iterative development. And waterfall model related to project is used where uh, like construction, where step-by-step planning is required and then execution is done. It also include in the healthcare industry, and it also include for different aspect like securities, uh, and also here comes the last part is data-driven decision making. So analytics is a very important part in project. We use Power BI and other tools to use the analytics in real-time project. So based on the previous project timelines, decisions, and documentations, we can uh, create a guidelines for the next project. And also, if there are changes or there is anything needs to be updated, that will be also useful in this case. So next step is what is we are going to discuss about the project management is three questions we are going to ask. What is the project, how it is done, and why we are doing that. So, as we mentioned, project is the unique, endure, or temporary series of task, collaboration, and planning. It is also required that we should have related knowledge and skill sets to complete the project. And how it is organized. Meticulous planning is required to complete the project. Tasks are carefully and organized, so it should not overlap or it should not hinder the other task in parallel. For example, if we are building the home and we want to create some rooms, so first we need to create the base and then walls and then roof like that. We can't plan for directly the roof and then create the walls and then later on base. That is a disaster related to any project. So, uh, organizing tasks in very careful manner is very essential. So, why we are doing project? This is very important as it is the outcome will decide if project is successful or not, if we earn desired value related to project or not. And yes, of course, there is a time limit uh, that should have project success as well. So consider one of the report that poor PM can lead to 48% in the late delivery dates. We are also going to discover what is a project manager here, and we are also going to have discussion about the jobs, roles, and responsibilities of the project manager, and project life cycle stages. What are the different stages? What is project manager? And we also going to check if project manager are similar to product manager or not. We're also going to learn different methodologies, agile, scrums, sprint, and other as well. And next thing we are going to learn is uh, about the PM. So he is doing many stages. We have like plan and action and managing those actions. Project manager also need to check the budget allocation, and project managers also make sure that the outcome of the desired project is achieved. So considering all these aspects, nowadays project manager is very important, performing different role and also have little bit of knowledge about the technology. So project manager should have multidimensional learning ability. Multidimensional learning ability means it will have included knowledge of other different technologies along with the main work he is doing. So it has been studied that project effectiveness will bring this 33% success rate uh, over the demand, beg your pardon. So nowadays there is a increase in the demand of project manager, and it is estimated that there is a 33% uh, positions are going to be needed in different project for the project manager. So we are going to study about different case studies and different ideas related to project management. So project work could be very differently. If we are constructing a new building, that is a different project. If we are doing homework of the school or any uh, freelance project we are doing, that is also one of the project. Uh, Daily lives uh, and some of the activities or event management, that is also project. So project involves planning and gathering of the information, but project manager needs to work from start to end. start to end. So the desired outcome has been achieved. So that is a basic introduction related to project management. So at the start, we have seen, we will revise this. What is the project management? Project management is any project within the specific period of time. It is unique in year or specific task which is completed, which has start date and end date. Uh, we have seen that different activities in your daily lives could be a project, maybe learning different subject or doing any collaborative work with the different people like organizing some event that could be also project. So we have created six foundation goals for the project management to cover all the topics. It includes project management fundamentals, goals, objective, and deliverable, which could be achieved in the project. We will go those parts in the detail where we go on milestones, work breakdown structure, and Gantt chart. All these aspects are covered in these 2 points in detail. Risk management is listing of the risk assessment, and we also going to learn about what are the effects of those risks and impact of them, and what are the measures we can implement. Team dynamics includes like different people, different teams. We need to manage the resources very effectively, and collaboration between the different team is very essential. So that we will learn in the team dynamics how those operations are done. Methodologies, we will study about different methodologies. So different work uh, will ask for different methodology like agile, scrum, waterfall model. So we have seen in short term that waterfall model approach is used where construction site or healthcare related or highly security solutions like defense where strict rules are implemented. Those are implemented with waterfall model, and mostly implemented with waterfall model, but uh, there are also other types as well. We will go into the details. Data driven decision making, it includes analytics and gathering of different data and coming to different conclusions. So it will help in the growth and future prospect of the project. We try to understand what is the project, how it is done, and why it is done. So we understood a series of tasks, uh, unique specified tasks, and which has start date, end date that included in the project, and it is achieved with the specific knowledge and skill set as well. How it is done, then we understood the part that tasks are organized very carefully and it executed. Planning and monitoring of those tasks is also included in project management. W- Why is most important part where we can check any successful project is decided based on the outcome only. So we understood why part. So time limit is also considered very important when planning any project as well. Project manager do plan or manage action related to project. He also oversee the budget allocation and also oversee outcome of the project. It is his responsibility, and he is there for uh, project start and completion as well. Nowadays, project managers should be multidimensional in their skill set because there are different technologies we emerging, and project manager area is increasing as well. All the different technologies are coming in. Like nowadays, we have AI mostly playing role, and there are new technologies coming into the market. Project managers need to upgrade to that level as well, know those technologies so those can be implemented very effectively uh, in the current project. So multi-dimensional learning approach is what project manager needs to adapt. So this is all about the project manager and project management. This is just primary step, and we will go into more details in the upcoming sessions. Thanks.